The Quoting Manager by Actify. The Quoting Manager helps you quickly and accurately generate quotes for manufacturing. This is the home page of the Quoting Manager, where all the quotes are presented in a grid by their core details. Quotes that have been awarded are shown in the green color with a trophy icon at the start. Let's take a look at a quote by clicking on a row. In this case, the C-Scooter. Every quote consists of multiple panels, each configured to your own specifications. The top panel contains the core details that we saw on the home page. We also have the component we're quoting for. You can display the component's thumbnail or view it in 3D using Central Spinfire Web. The production panel is configured to set its fields based on the selected production plant. For example, by selecting the San Francisco plant, we know what machine tonnage is available and display those choices. The part panel is specific to the component we're quoting. Enter the weight in your preferred unit. Alternatively, let the Quoting Manager populate those fields automatically from the component's CAD attributes. The next panel contains components required that will be outsourced and quoted separately. Next, set the labor cost you want to charge for producing the component. They may include setup costs and scrap costs. The Assets panel tracks certain fixed costs. These can be pre-configured, but you also have the option of adding any ad hoc assets. In the Sales panel, we can add any additional overheads or non-production costs as a percentage, as well as have any discounts per year. The costs so far are the costs that will be charged to the customer. In the Actuals panel, we can put in the actual cost for material, labor, or machine costs. All these fields accumulate in the Totals panel. Here we see the projected sales, costs, and margins. You can click on the eye icon here to hide the internal panels and fields and get a version of the quote that you can share with your customer. When the quote is awarded, click on the button with the trophy icon. Click OK, and the quote is now awarded. The top panel will turn green, and a job sheet will be awarded. Use the job sheet to track the production life cycle of the component. Check out Actify's Job Sheet Manager video to learn more about that business tool. Thanks for watching.